What's up, boys and girls? This is Ambassa with an '07 GSXR 1000. I have it taken apart. I'm going to be installing my row PDM power distributor, so all my accessories turn on and off with the bike. Wiring all my ground cables into one terminal, and then all the positives into here, and then it's going to be a nice and neat into the battery. So as you can see here, I found my accessory cable, the ignition cable. This is the top light bulb that always comes on with the bike, so I pretty much have it wired into there. This is for the headlights. I have the display removed. As you can see, I have the fuel tank lifted so I can funnel all my cabling down. Alright, I'm going to be installing my dual halo cam. I'm going to be installing my mount. It's actually a wireless phone mount. So it's a wireless charge. I'm going to be installing my dual USB with the voltage meter on there so I can see how the battery's doing. So that's pretty much what's going to happen on this beautiful bad thing. Eventually, I'm going to be installing a remote keyless start, so I can just be in proximity of the bike and it will start. This is all the wiring. It's going to be funneled from in here. I'm trying to make a nice and neat installation, so I can't really do a how-to video and hold the camera, but this is how it's happening. It's amazing. Take a look at inside if you're interested what the inside of your bike looks like. That's what it looks like. It's pretty dope. I know under this bad boy is where all the spark plugs and everything is. So I'll be doing another video of me installing the keyless ignition. So there it is. All right, there it is. 1000 GSXR 07. See you later, baby. This is my first sports bike, by the way, and it's beautiful. Respect the power. Chicks are all day.